Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rice Quest. I am Sovik and I am going to demonstrate you a very essential and important topic, how to replace your keyboard, laptop, especially laptop keyboards. So if you take your laptop to a service center, it will cost so much money. It is very easy and you can do at home easily. If you have one screwdriver, just purchase one keyboard from market and you can easily replace it. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. So don't waste the time and come with me. Now the thing is that we are going to replace this keyboard. Okay, so see, one function, one key that is got broken. Let me show you this F2 key. So we need to replace this keyboard here. So before that, first what it's a general procedure for every laptop. That is, we need to first remove the battery first. Okay, remove the battery first. I'll keep it aside. Then flip it back and rest. I'll show you what kind of things is here. If you notice here, show you here is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 notches. Okay, let me close it down. Here you can see the notch here. So first we have to do, just place it inside. Okay, and then it will come out like this. You have to hold this thing, and after that just place this notches outside. It will comes out like this. See, it came out. Okay, like this. Here inside, I'll show you. Here inside one pin is there. This black. This some type of clip for this. Just we have to push it upper side and this pull out this cable. Okay, so our old keyboard we have dismantled. Okay, old keyboard we have dismantled, and see, this is specification. And again we will take a new keyboard. Okay, see, See, its manufactured is 4D. The company is 4D. It's the same like this. Procedure would be same. Just flip it back. See, there is one channel like this. Here the strip. In this way the strip will come like this. See? Okay? So what we will do, just let me focus in this thing and I will show you. Take this flip pad, this wire, and place it very carefully. Okay, inside this, place it very carefully. Okay, and after that, okay, see, okay, and just see, it should be placed in these two silver color notches you can see in the both sides, here and here. Okay, just do like this, and after that close that pin, and after that you just push this. There is 1 2 3 4 5 6 notches. We just press, you just 1 2 3, you just do like this. Okay, you get fixed, and after that just press it will fix in its notches. Okay, and after that flip that cover off and connect the battery again in the same standard procedure. And now you can in video streaming. See, no kind of Windows error or something like this is coming. Okay, so there is a problem in the it comes. Thanks for watching.